Okay, let's get started with this. So we have to remove the lights. So you're gonna need Allen key number 5, and you're gonna need also Torx T30 for these two screws right here, and then a bunch of screws underneath that holds the bumper, plus a T25 for the fenders just left and right. So let's get started. We have two and the small screw driver. So we pull out the clips, the protection black clips from the lights, and we undo the two Allen key screws. One, two. So now we have to pull back the whole. Now I found something much better. So this is a suction cap actually, which will clip right here, and it will help to pull back the whole thing here. That clip, it clips over here. So you have to pull it back, straight back. And this is the suction cap. So this is a very nice tool for everything, even for the side mirrors. If you want to take out the mirror, the glass, without breaking it. So the same thing right here. And push, pull actually back, undo that, put them on side, same thing over here, 1, 2, container. So now we're gonna remove the side T25 screws. Bunch of screws right here. Just behind of these covers. There you go. So you can see these holds onto the bumper. So you lift it up a bit from this side. There you go. Slide it a bit. As soon as you pull this out, you need to disconnect the harness, and you have your bumper out. So the side, we're gonna repaint that. Look how bad it is, and imagine we treat that several times. Next step right now, we're gonna remove the side skirts. In order to do so, we have this. Look at here. There is a small screw behind this rubber grommet. So you pull out this, and there is a T25 right there. Okay, so you have to remove that, and then we pull hard back, and then detach it from the door. This one. Okay. So let me pull this out. Plastic clip right there. Okay, we have to remove that as well. We have to pull this thing back like that. Okay, you see, it comes out, and then we're gonna push it, and just like that you pull it out. So you move to the back, you pull to the back and unclip it. So you can see right here the clips are like that. Okay, as soon as you remove the screw, you have to push that, actually pull that to the back and unclip it. And unclip it like that. So these are the clips right over here, and this is where it holds. So the same thing with here. When we remove the fender, it is from inside a small torques, and then we can pull this out as well, clean them all up and paint them.